Question 34. In this question, we need to perform the profit or loss test to determine which of these segments is separately reportable, which means that the first step is to calculate net income of each segment. So there are 4 segments, and its net income was equal to the revenue from outsiders and plus inter-segment transfers. So inter-segment transfers here is like inter-entity sales, and then minus operating expense. So for autos, its net income is 1.4 million. For trucks, its net income is negative 300,000. This is a loss. And for SUVs, its net income is 600,000. And for motorcycles, its net income is a negative 70,000. It's also a loss. And based on the definition of a profit and loss test, first we need to calculate the profit. So what is the profit of all profitable segments? So in this company, they have 2 segments report a profit, a positive net income. It is autos and SUVs. So the total profit of all profitable segment is 2 million. Well, next, we need to calculate what is the loss of all segments incurring a loss. So the other 2 segments incurred a loss, and the total loss is 370,000. So we compare the total loss with the total profit in their absolute terms, which means that we compare 2 million with 370,000. And obviously, we are going to take the larger ones. So the 2 million is the larger number. And next is we are going to use 10% of the total of the profit, or 10% of the profit of all profitable segment as the threshold. And if each segment that report a loss or net profit that is larger than 200,000 in absolute terms, then it's reportable. Okay, so let's have a look at their numbers. So the first, autos, its net income is 1.4 million. It's larger than 200,000, which means that this segment is reportable. And the second one, trucks. So trucks have a loss of 300,000. So in absolute term, it's 300,000. It's also larger than 200,000, which means that it's also reportable. And the third one, SUVs have a profit of 600,000, larger than 200,000, so it's also reportable. And last one, motorcycles, a loss of 70,000, smaller than 200,000 in absolute terms, which means that this segment is not reportable.